This is the washing machine. It is an old model, so it's very easy to change programs because it doesn't remember. Now, to operate, it's very easy. Here, I check the electricity inside. This is the tap of the water. Now it's closed. I open it. Then I have the list of the programs to choose. I usually choose the D, 40 degrees, delicate colors. This is what we usually do. I think it's the best. I put the stuff inside. I close, pushing, and I push this part inside and put on D. When the D matches the red sign, the red mark. At this point, I pull this, the same lever, I pull it, and the machine is starting working. To stop it, I press here. That's it. I can change program now. I can even take out the stuff. To open the door, I pull this in this direction. You see the arrow? I pull this and then pull. Do it again. This direction and pull. That's it.